Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to find large files on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to go to your files, tap on search. Now go to options, tap on options, and then tap on view that is next to general. Now you have to look for show hidden files. You have to click this one right here, tap on apply, and then click OK. Now once done, you can now go back and then tap on your local disk. Now go to search OS, and then this time you have to type asterisk and then press enter, and it will start scanning all your files here on your OS. Now, once done, then what you're going to do is you have to go to search and then tap on size. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to choose a medium, but everything is up to you. You can choose large, huge. For me, it's medium this time. Now, it's very important to know that PC or using the File Explorer in Windows, File Explorer has a built-in search filter system that makes it easier to locate files based on size, for example, medium, huge, large, and then you should see all of the results once done. And then, if you want to search your whole computer, you can start at this PC before entering the size filter. But this time, I want to search big files or large files on my OS. Now, it will show you all files based on the size that you have selected. And if you're looking for large files on your PC and if you want to delete, then all you have to do is to click that specific file and then tap on delete, but be careful that it will not affect your PC's performance. This method is extremely helpful when you need to clean up space or track down specific files based on how large or small they are. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.